Another little song by that vegan teacher. Thanks so much for being here and listening. If you like it, feel free to use it on Instagram or on TikTok or anywhere else as a background to making your own videos. Thanks for helping me save the animals.
Time to change your religion like you change your underwear. Change your religion, show God that you really care. Change your religion, wanna try something new. Use your critical thinking skills to question all you eat, drink, buy, think, say, and do. Time to change your religion if it tells you to be cruel. Change your religion if it has a strange or crazy rule. Change your religion, wanna be an atheist every Sunday. What's important no matter what is that you don't listen to what all the mean people say. So change your religion like you change your underwear. Change your religion, show God that you really care. Change your religion, wanna try something new. Use your critical thinking skills to question all you eat, drink, buy, think, say, and do. Sing this song and be vegan from now on.
Thank you so much for being here. Coming up on the screen are a whole bunch of other videos. Go ahead and tap on them if you're interested. Be curious. Have a look around my site. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that too. And click the little notification bell. Help me. Let's save animals together.